pasta dish last night. It's super easy to prepare.
That sounds amazing. Could you share the recipe with me?
Of course, I'll send it over. Speaking of food, do you know any good places to eat around here? I'm getting tired of cooking every day.
There's a new cafe downtown that serves incredible sandwiches. We should check it out together sometime.
Sounds like a plan. By the way, I've been trying to improve my English speaking skills. Do you have any tips?
Definitely. Watching movies with subtitles and practicing with native speakers really helps. I can introduce you to some friends who might be interested in a language exchange.
That would be fantastic. Emma, thanks a lot.
Oh, and before I forget, do you know when the library closes today?
It closes at 8 p.m. on weekdays. Are you planning to borrow some books?
Yeah. I need to pick up a few for a research project I'm working on.
Let me know if you need any help with that. I'm pretty good at finding resources online.
Thanks, James. You're always so helpful. All right, I better get going now. See you around.
Take care, Emma. Talk to you soon.